The city itself, we've got just under 75,000 people here. It's historically a forestry town.
Well, about a year ago, Michael Flaviano and his team approached myself and city staff to talk about the opportunity to put in this solar road panel. And ultimately, it was decided to place it here in Prince George and have the opportunity to see just exactly how it would operate in a colder climate with snow and how it would impact the opportunity for us to increase our electricity grid here at City Hall.
Wattway was actually a project that goes back 5 years. The Colas Laboratories has been working with INES, the National Institute of Solar Energy back in France. And the idea is use what is already existing, so road, highways, pavements, concrete areas, and be able to adapt this new solution directly to what is already existing. In this case, we have 20 square meters of Wattway panels installed right next to the City Hall of Prince George, directly connected to the building. The panels itself are a side of a power cabinet and EV charging stations for electrical vehicles.
I believe the system altogether is around 2,400 watts peak power output. As far as how many kilojoules in a year it'll put out really depends on the weather we get.
The whole process is quite easy because with workers who had never seen nor heard about Wattway, all of the techniques are at their reach. But the thing is, because we are gluing panels, because we are handling some chemicals, we just want to make sure that it's done right on the first try.
The direct benefit to the city is obviously we're producing our own power. So we're offsetting some of the power consumption at City Hall, and we've got our electric vehicle charging station right beside the panels. So the idea is that if there is an electric vehicle plugged in, that power from the solar panels be said to be charging the vehicle. So it's kind of a demonstration project to say what the parking lots of the future could be like when everybody has electric vehicles.
Our staff are very excited about seeing the outcome of this, and this is really innovative and maybe another avenue for us to take a look at what it means to be a green city, a sustainable city.
The fact that Canadian weather can be very different from one day to another is something very interesting for the technology, the way it reacts and the way we can reuse the energy produced by the Wattway panels.
It's a very robust system and should stand up to the rigors of winter. I can't foresee any issues coming about from it, so now it's time to make some power.
The fact that we produce locally, fluid injected into the building of the City Hall and consumed on site, it will be the next step of reusing energy and being able to optimize our daily life around this type of consumption.
It's been a great experience. It's definitely a unique opportunity, and I was glad to be a part of it.